How to buy crypto on SafePal app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on SafePal app. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your SafePal application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. You may need to use your fingerprint in order to access your account. And once you land on this page, you'll be able to see the row with some icons. Simply tap on this buy icon at the center. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this buy and sell crypto page. Here now you will need to select your currency. Simply tap on the selected currency here and then select the currency from the list. After that, you will need to select which cryptocurrency you would like to purchase. Here I am going to select Bitcoin. If you would like to select any other cryptos, then simply select this Bitcoin option and then select the currency that you would like to purchase from this available list. Now once after selecting, you will need to now input how much of the cryptocurrency you are willing to purchase in the fiat currency terms. Simply tap at the right side of this pay option and then specify the amount. After that, you'll be able to see the Bitcoin that you are going to receive after processing this transaction. After that, now here tap on this buy option right here and now you will be redirected to the Binance website in order to finalize this transaction. Based on your country locations, you may also be redirected to the MoonPay website. Here now you will need to choose a payment method like credit or debit card or bank transfer. You will need to confirm your transaction details with this provider. You'll also need to enter any required payment information securely, and once all the details are verified, you will need to confirm your transaction. And by following these steps, you should be able to buy or purchase crypto using SafePal app. So by following these steps, you should be able to buy crypto on SafePal. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.